Today, we're going to explore the best drum locks for material handling and storage, ensuring that your valuable substances stay secure. So, let's dive right in. First on this list is TRADESAFE drum security locks, and they stand out in the market for all the right reasons. These drum locks are designed to efficiently cover your drum's bung opening, providing robust security without removing the original seal. This is vital for maintaining the purity of your drum's contents. What sets TRADESAFE drum lock apart is its non-sparking zinc alloy construction, ensuring superior durability and safety, even in the most challenging industrial environments. Moving on, we have the TRADESAFE nylon drum lock with 2 rubber gaskets. This innovative solution boasts a sturdy nylon body and 2 resilient rubber gaskets in one pack, ensuring unmatched reliability and versatility. The 2 rubber gaskets come in different sizes to fit various drum bung holes as well as pipe openings and drainage holes, making it a versatile lockout tool. Additionally, it complies with OSHA's Lockout Tagout standards, ensuring safety and regulation adherence. Now, let's look at the new pig steel drum lock. These cap seal bung lock sets are fit for various drum sizes. It is constructed from durable zinc alloy with a locking mechanism, and they come with 2 brass keys. Next up, we have the Drumlok closed head drum seal. This drum seal utilizes irradiated aluminum locking plugs and bars to protect your drum contents. It also comes with gaskets to prevent contamination. VESTIL double drum lock offers a straightforward mechanical solution for drum security, particularly those with double bungs. It employs a unique design where threaded cylinders attach to the drum's bungs, allowing for a rod to be inserted through portholes in the cylinders. Here are the highest rated drum locks offered by prominent brands, each tailored to address a variety of industry-specific operational needs. Always keep in mind that when it comes to safety, it's crucial to opt for the best option for your workplace. Stay safe, lockout safe, always.